Hello, my friends. Welcome to this session. And today we're going to be going through how we can make a product to be forced or required to be purchased with any of our orders. So what I'm going to be going through is step by step, and you're going to need a little piece of code from our CF Nerds library that will allow you to do that. So I'm going to go step by step, how to start until then. So a traditional funnel, when you add a product, so I'm gonna go here, this is a order form and a confirmation. If I go into manage products, let me move myself out. You can add your regular products, a bump offer, and have it to pick a single product. And what we will see, let me show this form and let's preview it. We have then a regular form that you can pick one of the products and the bump to be able, when we click one product. But what if I want to sell let's say my Spanish course, but I always want to force that this creator companion will be included in the offer? Or let's say that you have a membership and you want that the membership will always be there, but that they are two different products. So in that way, there's no issue. The way to do that is that we have to customize the form in one way and add our forced product add-on to be able to do that. So first thing is that when we come into the form and we go into manage products, the secret of the one that I'm gonna select to be the default product that will be forced is that it needs to be the first one. So whichever you want here, you see in this case, the funnel hacker course creation companion, that will be the one that will be forced always. If you want to be another product, you just have to put it as the first one. That's the first thing that we need to do. Second thing that we need to do is we come here into the checkout settings on the bottom, and we're gonna select from single product, and we're gonna move it into multiple products with checkboxes. Okay, and we're gonna click update. And you're gonna see that that is all built into Clickfunnels. So what we're doing is that this is switching. Let me just go back to the form so you can see it. Right now we have a radio button that is select only one. If I come and I refresh this, just go here, preview it, open it again. Let's close this one. See, this now put a checkbox. What that means is that now multiple products can be selected. So in this case, if I open down here, now I can select both products. You see? So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna leverage that functionality to make sure that the first one is automatically put in the order and it's hidden. So let me close here. All that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come into the code section and show code. I'm gonna go footer, and you will copy a little code that will provide the functionality. So now when I come into, voila, the first product is no longer shown, but is automatically added as a product to be selected. Now I can select the product, and now I can even have a bump. But now I can just fill in all the information. So let's go in here into demo user at example.com. Nope. Checkout. Let's go 212-555. Don't worry, that's a fake phone number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Yeah, I'm in Miami, so don't worry, you cannot find me there, but Florida, the best state. Okay, so we're gonna do a test card. Now we can submit the order. Now we completed the purchase. Remember, this was our fourth product. The course, that was the selection, and the bump. So right there you have, my friends. So all you have to do is grab the code from our library so you can add it to your funnels. See you in our next video.